I felt very welcome in this environment. The graduate students welcomed me in right away when I joined. I arrived in Wilmington and it was like I instantly had 20 new friends.
I think one of the things that attracted me as a new faculty coming from an overseas country here to UNCW was the fact that our faculty here are very research active, and they are involving their undergraduate students in particular, but also graduate. They have a very strong graduate program here in both biology and marine biology. The other thing that I think is really key here is that you'll see in the background here the infrastructure and the research instrumentation that we have here, and the access that our students have to that infrastructure and instrumentation. So, for example, here we are in our microscopy lab, in our microscopy suite here in the Department of Biology and Marine Biology, and this is our new transmission electron microscope. We also have scanning electron microscopy and a whole range of light microscope techniques, including confocal microscopy. So we're very well equipped in terms of state-of-the-art microscopy instrumentation, and that's just microscopy. Of course, we have, in terms of marine sciences, at the Center of Marine Sciences, and also in the other buildings here on campus, we have a whole range of instrumentation infrastructure that's underpins both our faculty research, but obviously our graduate and undergraduate research as well. So we're very well resourced in that respect, and our students get priority on that instrumentation.
At UNCW, there's close mentorship with the faculty that you work with. As a graduate student, I get a lot of time with my graduate research advisor and other faculty who have special competencies that can help me with my research project.
So we have a very research active faculty, and they are highly successful in getting both regional and federal grants to support their research. And so typically that will include money that could be research assistantships for graduate students, as well as an allocation that we get for teaching assistantships.
Really, one great advantage of this program is that lots of teaching assistantships are offered. So students who go through the graduate program get very practical experience in teaching. I teach a marine biology laboratory for upper level undergraduates, so I grade papers, I take students out in the field, I have lots of very diverse educational teaching opportunities, which will prepare me for continuing in academics.
Sort of the research project that you work on is going to be largely driven by your advisor, who your advisor is. And we have faculty members in the department who have field stations that they do work in Ecuador. So if you're working with that advisor, you may go to Ecuador to work on some of these really unusual mammals that are living in that part of the world that very little is known about. If you work in another lab, you may end up doing some work in the Caribbean on some of the some of the facilities that are available on some of the islands there.
If you're thinking of applying to the biology and marine biology master's program here at UNCW, I encourage you to look into it more and think about applying. It's been a great program for me. I've really enjoyed the experience with my peers and getting to know the faculty, and my competence as a scientist has improved dramatically as a part of this program.